everyone, and welcome to Music Matters with Mr. Figure. This is a beginning of a piano series which I plan to run for at least 6 to 8 lessons. Today, I will be introducing you to the piano. Now, I will begin by explaining what the piano is to you and letting you understand what the alphabets of music are. So the piano is a musical instrument which consists of black and white keys. Now, one should not be scared looking at the piano because it is just very, very simple and easy to understand. Now, let us look at the piano. We have a combination of 2 black keys and 3 black keys. They are actually in groups. Now, these 2 and 3 black keys are repeated as you go along the piano. Now, the first white key before a set of 2 black keys is called C. The first white key before a set of 2 black keys is called C. And the alphabets of music are A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. There is no H, there is no I. They are just 7 in number. Now, when we go to the piano, in that same order, if we say this is C, then automatically this will be D, followed by E, and F, G, A, B, and another C. So the first white key before 2 black keys is C, and the first white key before 3 black keys is F. That is an easy way to identify the keys of the keyboard. So we say C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. I hope with this you have been able to understand what the piano looks like and how to easily identify the keys of the piano. Now, your assignment: look at the keyboard, try to identify the keys, but while doing that, create in your mind a mental picture of it. Now, close your eyes and try to think. Look at that mental picture and try to identify the keys in that mental picture. That way, when you play, it will be easier for you to identify the keys without thinking too much about it. Thank you, and I'll see you again in another lesson. Bye-bye.